Lesson 1. What is data? Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what data is, its different forms, and why it is the foundation of all analysis and decision making. 1. What is data? Clear definition. Data is a collection of raw facts, observations, or symbols that by themselves have no meaning until they are processed. In simple terms, data is the raw material. Information is the finished product. 2. Think of data like Lego blocks. The image you shared uses a powerful analogy. Each Lego piece equals a single data point, a pile of pieces equals raw data, a finished structure equals information key inside. Data alone looks random and disconnected. Its value comes from how you combine and interpret it. 3 types of data, core categories. Data can take many forms. The most common include things, objects, or entities, e.g. laptop, customer facts, statements that can be true, false, e.g. order, delivered, events, something that happens, e.g. user logged in numbers. Quantitative values, e.g. 100, 3.14, 2025 words. Textual data, e.g. reviews, comments. This is why data exists everywhere, in systems, conversations, transactions, and behaviors. 4. The nature of data, why it can be misleading. Raw data has important limitations. No context 100 means nothing without explanation. No interpretation. It doesn't tell you why something happened. Can be messy. Errors, duplicates, missing values, consultant insight. Data is often abundant, but clarity is rare. 5. How data is used in the real world in business and technology. Data is collected from systems, apps, databases, sensors, stored in structured formats, tables, data warehouses, processed to generate information and insights. Example, raw data, user click button 5 times, still meaningless until analyzed. 6. Data in the bigger picture. Data is the first step in a larger value chain. Data processing, information, understanding, action. Without data, nothing else exists. 7. Mental model, think like a professional. Whenever you see data, ask, what is this describing? Is it complete and reliable? What context is missing? Key takeaways. Data equals raw, unprocessed facts. It can be numbers, words, events, or objects by itself. It has no meaning. Its value comes from processing and interpretation. It is the starting point of all analytics.
Thank you.